Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, is brought to you by RockAuto.com. All the parts your car will ever need. BrothersTrucks.com, your #1 source for 1947 to 87 Chevy and GMC truck restoration. Magic Creeper, the most versatile creeper ever. Johnston Research and Performance, your #1 source for performance parts and accessories. And by NHOU Oil Undercoating, the official oil-based rust prevention system.
Thanks for cruising along with Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. Now these days, everybody is a videographer. Of course, you have your action cameras, you've got your phone, you're getting video all the time. And when it comes to capturing the action, when you're doing something active, maybe skiing, you're driving your race car, your UTV, action cameras, it can be kind of a hassle. How so?
The problem with action cameras is you have to unmount and then mount them every time you want to change your shot. It's great once you get it set up, but after that, you lose your momentum, change it over to the next shot. By then a couple minutes have passed, maybe you've lost what you were already trying to shoot. You have to pick up that momentum again, and sometimes that's hard to find.
And we know the normal routine. You know, think about if you're out in the elements too, and you've got to take it, you've got to unscrew this.
Exactly.
Maybe it's cold and you're freezing.
Gloves on when you're skiing,
yeah,
sure.
Yeah, it can be a real hassle. So how has snap mounts changed the game entirely?
We've come up with a dynamic, magnetic, 2-part action camera mounting system. And basically what we do is we take the snap mount and it can just attach to anything that's either magnetic or to any of our adapters or any of the other products that we make here.
You're obviously wearing the magnet there on just a regular necklace there. And you have some accessories here that can mount to any sort of device.
We came up with an adapter setup here, and basically what this does is it attaches to any existing action camera mounting system you may already own. And you attach your snap mount, want to get that shot right there? There it is.
That's it.
Let's say you want to move it to your selfie stick, take a selfie shot, it pops right off, slaps on, you take your shot. Move it off there, take your first person view shot. Just keep going from there.
This is great for YouTubers, especially this. Now you turn into a 5-camera shoot.
Absolutely, yeah. We do have a lot of content creators on YouTube in various industries, off-roading, race cars, bass fishermen, all over the map.
And I know a lot of the folks now that maybe race or have a UTV or something like that, doing something really sort of violent, are wondering just how will this hold up?
Sure, so with the right setup, we do have what's our locking adapter right here. It's got these little tabs. You basically come in at a 45-degree angle, lock it down, now you have a physical stop, and that's not going to come off anymore.
So it's not just the magnet.
Exactly.
But the magnets themselves, how strong are they?
So these are N52 neodymium magnets. They're the strongest commercial-grade magnet that you can buy.
And that coupled with the snap, makes the snap mount, makes it totally secure.
Absolutely, yeah. The two magnets together pull about 10, 12 pounds a piece, so you get about 60 to 80 pounds of pull pressure, depending if you have anything in between them that you're compressing on.
Now you brought a couple new gadgets with you. This is pretty cool. Tell me what this is all about.
Yeah, that's our smartphone adapter. So it basically allows your snap mount to become a smartphone-friendly device. It has 2 locking mechanisms. One, so that there's a twist lock in the back that allows you to pull it open, so you can mount your smartphone. And then there's also a tab. You can change from vertical to horizontal and lock down. And then you can lock everything down. It's nice and sturdy. It's not going to go anywhere, and you take whatever shots you need to do.
That's fantastic. And now I know maybe mounting a magnet to the side of your vehicle isn't always a great idea, but you guys have taken care of a problem there as well.
And initially this came from customer feedback. They would mount it on their vehicle. If there was dirt or dust in between the snap mount and the vehicle paint, we would get scratches. So basically what we did is we created a silicone boot that wraps around the snap mount. It's form-fitting, and it keeps the snap mount in place by increasing friction, and scratches are gone.
Very cool. And now this kit here, this is something that's new.
Yep.
Tell me about this kit and the case.
This is our new kit that we're coming out with. It comes with basically all the accessories that we provide. And the kind of cool thing about this case is there's a built-in metal plate underneath the top here. And basically it becomes magnetic, so your snap mount mounts right into it if you have your cameras mounted, etc.
Yeah.
And it basically keeps them from shuffling around too much or making noise.
What are some of the applications here? What are you hearing from your customers?
We hear a lot of positive things. It's not perfect for everything, but it's great for a lot of stuff. The most rugged and extreme, some people have issues with, even though we think we've captured that pretty decently. But yeah, we have pro bass fishermen that use it, race car drivers, people taking it off-road all the time. It's all over the place. We've even had people skydive with them.
The Jeep behind us is our test mule, so tell me what you guys have mounted on this thing.
Obviously we would use the hood, just with the magnets themselves. We've placed a suction cup on the side with one of our locking adapters. We've got an adhesive mounted adapter up on the windshield.
You get an arm attached there to the headrest.
Yep.
That also is forward looking, and you can also look out the back window as well.
Yep, and then we've got what we call our snap plate, which is a metal plate with adhesive on the bottom, just mounted to the dash.
Amazing what you can do with just one action camera if you have snap mounts. You can find these at snapmounts.com. You are going to love them. They're revolutionary. We'll be right back with more cool products when we come back to Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings.